In this video, I'll help you never struggle with tiny pencils again by showing you how to make a DIY pencil extender at home using basic supplies. Here are the materials you'll need. Paper. I'm using 150 grams per square meter. Scissors or a craft knife, glue, adhesive tape, and a round pencil, longer than 10 centimeters. You can use a hexagonal pencil, but a round one is much easier to work with and use afterward.
First, you'll need to cut the A4 paper to 10 centimeters wide. I'm using a single sheet because it's 150 grams per square meter, but if you're using 90 grams per square meter paper, you'll need 2. If it's 120 grams per square meter, you'll need 1.5. Don't mess up this part. Put tape twice at the beginning of the paper, on the inside, before rolling it onto the pencil. It will make using the extender so much better later on. After putting tape on the section where the pencil goes, wrap the paper around the pencil once, and apply more tape after that first wrap to secure this part with more precision. To finish, just wrap the paper completely around the base pencil. Thick paper plus glue stick, coat the whole thing. Thin paper plus liquid glue. Use just a little in separate spots. I recommend taping the entire outside of the extender. It prevents slipping, keeps it clean, and gives a much better grip. Now you'll need a paper insert inside the extender to adjust the pencil's length. The size will depend on the paper weight you're using. After folding and gluing it, wrap some tape around it as well. And this is already the final result. So, did you manage to make it? Did you know it could be done at home with basic materials? If you enjoyed it or found it interesting, leave a like.